Bro, Gen Alpha slays no cap. We're in a generation where people have brain out words like skibidi, riz, delulu, but so lulu. There was a time where Shakespeare had great English, but honestly, Gen Alpha speaks better. We haven't lived a second without AI, but we are not dumb. Oh, wait, I just realized I'm not talking to my friends, but a lot of adults who wouldn't understand half of what I just said. So, all the Shakespeares out here, listen up. Every generation is as important as the others. Our grandparents, the boomers, gave stability. Our parents, the millennials, brought technology. Our older siblings, the Gen Zs, made digital life normal. And Gen Alpha, the kids born to make the world rise faster than ever before. People say this generation is cooked, but is it actually true? A study from the International Journal of Religion, Education and Law shows that Gen Alpha kids are surrounded by gadgets. Tech brings benefits, but excessive use affects mental health. Gadget addiction reduces concentration. It increases anxiety, disturbs sleep, and weakens real life social skills. The causes are simple: less supervision, addictive app designs, and kids using social media to escape stress or loneliness. The solutions are simple too: guided content, time limits, outdoor play, and parents modeling balanced tech use. So, yeah, turns out this generation is actually cooked, or at least that's how it looks. But here's the plot twist: even with all these problems, Gen Alpha has some of the loudest voices in the world. If not the world, definitely India. Now that we understand how important Gen Alpha is, let's take an example. Around the world, kids our age are building apps, leading climate drives, and winning robotics challenges. Notice how Gen Alpha is so focused in making the world better. We just don't think about ourselves, do we? Gen Z, a generation before us, is our backbone. Because of them, we're at a place where we would have never reached if it weren't for them. Gen Alpha is rising, and in the next 20 years, it'll be one of the strongest generations the world has ever seen. Let's take an example from everyone here: Gen Y and Gen Alpha. Gen Y bought technology which became a drug for us. And whereas, in the other hand, because of Gen Alpha, Gen Y is addicted to the screens even more. So, if you look close enough, everyone cooked everyone. I'm not here to blame anyone. I want a perspective shift from both the sides. Gen Alpha isn't just a generation, it's the blueprint of India in 2047. India will complete 100 years of independence in 2047. By then, Gen Alpha kids would be doctors, lawyers, scientists, leaders, and global change makers. The world hasn't seen the magic of this generation yet. And for that magic to happen, we need something from all of you. Parents, instead of only giving phones, give time. Teachers, instead of only giving homework, give hope. And students, instead of only chasing followers, chase life. Now, the real question is, are we preparing Gen Alpha to use gadgets to change the world? Because power in the wrong hands destroys, power in the right hands transforms. And Gen Alpha is powerful. We're the loudest voices, we're the fastest learners, we're the most connected minds in history. I'm not here to glorify us. I'm here to show why we matter and why we are the most cooked generation yet. If you look closely, every single generation looks bad just because the older one says so. I'm sure everyone here has been told that this is the worst generation or that this generation doesn't understand life or its hardships. Studies show kids are on social media more than they admit because they're unhappy and want a break from a harsh world. We do understand. We do face challenges. We don't suck. We just want a break. If you compare school pressure from the 1980s to today, there's a huge difference. The world back then was simpler, whereas now it moves fast and many adults don't understand what we go through. We help move forward the world every single day, but somehow we still get blamed, judged, or misunderstood. Maybe it's because we're always on those screens, but they just don't see what we're doing on those screens. We aren't just scrolling, we aren't just playing Roblox. Some of us are helping, donating, learning, and building. Some of us dream to have gaming careers. And the richest gamers today, many were scolded for playing games as kids. We want hope, we want success, we want our dreams to mean something. And if the other generations don't support us, then yes, we might actually be cooked. And if you want India or the world to be better by 2047, every single one of us needs to contribute. And if all of us do our part, then we won't be cooked. We'll be unstoppable. Thank you.